have to experience the product in action. Even a three-dimensional rendering does not give you an accurate portrayal of what our products can do.
To know that from the beginning we were going to be coming on this project and being able to play with so many of those products in one space was very intriguing.
Bob Stiles is a great guy. He's a great client, but he's a better person. And he also has a lot of vision in his life. He knows what the big picture is long before anybody else does.
It's not just a showroom, it's a real office with real employees. So you'll see our products in use as they would be in your own facility.
The commitment that ModernfoldStyles has made to the showroom, bringing in manufacturers to set up their systems, is phenomenal.
For us, business is about people. You really only understand the product when you see it and touch it for yourself.
ModernfoldStyles was founded in 1957 by my father, Robert Stiles Sr. It was established here in New York to service and to really found the space management products business here in Manhattan.
ModernFold's really focused on providing the right solution for the right customer. We've got the broadest portfolio in the industry.
We have every wall here that we sell. They could see it, they could feel it, they could touch it, and they could say, hey, that's what I want, that's what I need, that's where I'm going. We just take the customer from start to finish. I mean, and that's the real value that we bring.
Because Moodwall and ModernfoldStyles are both boutique operations, they're both family-run, family-owned, we really see eye to eye on a lot of things.
They love our products, we love working with them, and it's really just a menu for success.
The showroom is a visceral experience. You get to come here, you get to touch the product, you get to move the product, you get to hear the product in action in a facility that is going to be very similar to your own.
ModernfoldStyles is a great organization. They not only go out and market and sell our products, they project manage and install them. Their expertise in the code in this area is essential.
I think ModernfoldStyles showroom here has been an invaluable tool to be able to come and look and see and touch and feel and operate the products, and they get a real sense of what they're getting.
Really, the company grew like any organization. You know, you got to have great leadership.
I acknowledge my father. I'm thankful for his initial vision into this and providing me with a platform to continue his vision into the future. And it's a great future.